I'm moving across right.
On your command.
Hold on. Hold on, 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
How the fuck did it tank a bullet in the head?
Range it. Range it.
I am. Ready?
Yep.
Be careful on the ammo!
The
Be
guy on the
careful!
hill there.
Yeah, I shot one guy in the head, but he survived for some reason.
Fuck up that truck.
Right.
Problem.
Yeah.
Nice one. That should be enough. Oh god damn.
Yo guys, we just completely fucked up the gunstore.
Oh, he killed the guy though. Oh no.
You guys killed
Never
him?
mind. Yep, there's another one.
It should be 3 of them. It should be 2 of them or 3 of them.
Yeah, we're good just like this.
Yeah, one is dead. One is running down.
Ah,
Got one.
fuck. I got out the boat.
Nice, I got the other one.
I got
another
out
one.
the boat by accident. What the fuck?
There's another one.
Guys, I killed 2 of them.
There's one, but yep. You see that? Yeah, you shoot. Oh, you got him.
Cover,
You got him.
you cover your revive.
This is so right, someone's shooting us. Where's the shoot from? Look at the gunshot in the water.
Yeah, I see it. He's getting closer. It's not suppressed.
Alright, I'm using thermal. I don't see him.
Nice work, guys. Nice work. Very nice work.
Oh, I
Thank
see
you,
him. I
man.
see him.
How's your ammo?
I've got 163.
Right.
Hey guys, I got a silencer if you guys want it. And this guy has a backpack too.
Did I kill him?
Yeah, you killed one. Yeah, I think you killed him. Yeah. Taking fire.
Oh, I got
I
enough
see him.
man
He's
too.
behind the car.
Oh!
Boom!
Wait, you killed the same guy 2 times. That means there's still another one in there that's reviving them.
Yeah. Oh, there's one fresh spawn on the beach.
We are fucking them.
They're moving up Round around troops now. are closing in.